YouTube, it's Christabel back for another video, and today it's Sons of Anarchy Season 6 Episode 9. If it's your first time here, welcome, and big love and respect to all the returning Patreons and subscribers. I'm not doing a big recap today because I'm eager to get in. I've got a few things to do today. Suffice to say, Nero should be coming out this episode based on what just happened. She's finally released the blood work. We saw Tara go to the dark side because she needs to get rid of Gemma. We saw someone get run over in a traumatic, very disgusting, disturbing way because of the shooting that the little boy did and the story being leaked. So yeah, that's where we at. I'm jumping straight in. Season 6, Episode 9. Let's get it. He literally said to Tara, "You're so distant now, let me back in." So he knows that some underlying shit's going on. And this is the first time he's actually spoke on it. Where's she? Oh, Nero's back. Is that Nero? Is that Nero? Is that Nero? That's Nero. Yes. Fortunately, it's back in Gemma's bed, but, you know, at least he's out of prison. What the fuck are those? Were they some black crow raven type? He doesn't know.
Front page type stuff?
Could have been.
The reason Clay wasn't killed inside is because we need him. The Irish want him to be point for guns here in Cali.
That's some crazy ass shit, man.
It is, Mama. This time,
Can you prove any of it?
for once,
Wendy was in on it with Tara.
I know you're doing what you gotta do. Putting distance between us, I get it. I spent all night trying to figure out how to help you with these charges, Tara.
You can't.
she ain't being honest with
Are
you.
you trying, mama?
And you're not telling her everything,
The
Jax.
struggle
But
I'm
okay.
having with the shit, that ain't your burden.
Thanks for not doubting me. Or for at least not showing me that you do.
You got some heavy secrets, Jim. I see them.
I love you.
Me too.
These transitions, yo. 2 relationships. One
Now, since
Really
you're out of Stockton, you haven't been able to say I love
flourishing,
you.
trust-wise, and the other
I know that must
diminishing.
be hard for you.
I'm giving you 3 extra units. I want 24/7 surveillance on Jax Teller.
Oh, wow.
You think that's really the best use of our resources?
You don't have a problem stepping hard on these guys, do you, Lieutenant?
No.
Just Jax. It's not going to be very effective. If anything else needs, doing or something a bit dodge, they'll just get someone else to do it.
Look, I know you care about my mom, Wayne.
There's no way of exonerating her without throwing Tara under the bus.
Christ.
Hey, why'd you do that?
Ray! Ray!
Seriously?
Please don't make him. Somebody!
All right.
Team just after the kid was born. That might be the connection.
What connection?
It was a pileup caused by the tractor trailer and jackknifed after it hit your dad.
So she blames us for her mother's death.
18 years later.
Yeah, I'm like, bro, what's this delayed PTSD?
You're gonna have a shadow for a little while. It's not my call.
Wow. Courtesy of actually telling him.
She's looking for the gun source and she only has 1 suspect on her list.
Eli.
A new
Thanks.
tale.
Safety deposit boxes in both your names. Cash is his. It's about getting away, not cleaning him out. I looked over your medical documentation. Positive pregnancy, ultrasounds, doctor's signatures. All expedited
I read.
by Margaret Murphy. Using false medical records to substantiate a custody hold is a felony.
I know that.
We're 2 weeks away from standing in front of a jury.
You know everything.
Jeez. I wish she'd just excuse herself.
Amen, Jesus. Amen, Jesus.
You know what sets me free? Pussy. Sweet, holy pussy. You see?
Such a fucking idiot.
Pussy the healer. Pussy the redeemer. Can I get an amen for pussy?
I thought he kissed him. It went a bit from my bridge.
Knows the truth now, brother.
I knows the truth. Oh. He's just gonna tell him
It's
straight.
your family you need to talk about.
Gemma is my family now, man. I know how bad this feels, but I think that you should go back, take another look at what happened. Find the truth in all of this.
I already know the truth. Nero. What?
Just throw it out there. There was never a baby.
Is a liar?
Whoa, I'm just saying it's a lot more complicated, bro, than you
Look,
made it.
I get it.
But if we're gonna keep doing business together, the shit that went down between me and my family is off limits.
Don't know why I want the truth to come out. I don't know, I'm so conflicted.
Charlie and the MILF man
But
over here.
apparently I want the truth to come out. I'm on fucking Gemma's side.
Let's go, partner.
I'm on truth side. I'm on honesty. I'm on, yeah. It's some bullshit.
We didn't make the escort rating either. Denied. Unspecified reasons. No Dios del sir.
God damn.
Good.
She wants you for that school shooting, man, and she's gonna continue to strangle everybody in bed with you.
What?
I'm sorry, but I can't take the hit. I gotta eject. Say so long to Handsome Jack, the biker brigade.
Come on, Charlie, Nero's right. This is exactly what Patterson wants.
It's fine. You're the worst
Things
fucking
change,
thing
you
that
never know.
happened in this freaking season. Bye, bitch.
Just don't send him to do your dirty work.
Nobody sent me to do anything. I was just trying to help.
Don't take it out on him. He needs to know.
Yeah, go on.
What?
DA wanted him to give you up. He wouldn't. So he gave himself up as the gun source.
Is that true?
Hey, you know, it didn't matter. By the time I was gonna make this deal, my lawyer found out that the sheriffs, they had pulled evidence from Torik's hotel room.
Nero's right. Patterson ain't gonna stop. Call everyone. Chapel.
I lost the house. We've been packing shit up. Came across a lot of photos of her mom. Found the newspaper article about her death.
Okay.
First time she realized your dad caused the pileup that killed her mom. Why?
She looks familiar.
I know.
Straightforward. Normally these side stories, there's something, yeah, that can't just be the end of it. So he came to see that picture. Who is that woman? Who could she be connected to? Thing with Tara, is she made of the same stuff that Gemma is? Can just be
No,
hard-faced and
Hoping I could talk
stick to the plan.
to everyone. Doc, you don't strike me as being a malicious kind of person. I'm sure whatever it was that happened between you and Gemma, you did what you thought was right.
Gemma attacked me. You don't know me.
No, I don't, but I do know Gemma, and so do you. She's not gonna lay down for this. Maybe we could find some kind of middle ground here.
Yeah.
Because if not,
She's gonna keep coming for you.
it's not gonna end up well for anyone.
Including you. You see what happens to the men she's with? One husband dead, another in jail.
Yeah, well, that's the life.
No, it's the wife. She killed John Teller.
Came in with information, leaving with whole nother fucking question. Hold on. Silence of the Lambs.
You want him flipped out in the chapel?
Hannibal
He's calm
Lecter.
now. Secure.
Okay.
All that, you have to take off a whole man's nose.
Yeah.
to just have a conversation. You couldn't have just got into a little scrap.
You got 40 minutes to the next rotation.
She went home.
I can have security here in an instant.
No need. I'm gonna take those medical records documenting Tara's pregnancy and her miscarriage, and I'll present them to the hospital board. Let them know that their neonatal administrator is a bit of a grifter.
It would be my word against yours.
That's all I needed to know. Thanks, Red.
You just confirmed it.
You can't prove anything.
Oh, I don't need to prove it.
Just need to know.
I just needed a more reliable source than a junkie to share with my son. He's gonna be the one to prove it.
Send who in? Oh, this is going to be RoboCop, right? Oh, Jax.
I must say I'm rather surprised to see you sitting across from me.
Dashing fella, isn't he?
So why are you here?
John Teller. He always wanted a legitimate club. Died pursuing that.
I'm not in a mood for a history lesson. When'd you get to it, Mr. Teller?
He's getting there, girl.
I'm here to make you an offer.
To make me. Wow.
To give you a deal, baby. I know.
You really have some balls, kid.
Big kahunas.
I also have an Irishman who sells KG9s. Galen O'Shea. You can check with the feds. He's a big win. I will deliver him with a shipment of guns, open and shut. I want a legitimate club. That can't happen while people try to crush us, ruining all of our business relationships.
That's it.
Bitch.
If you thought you could deliver the IRA, then I figure you would at least also have a personal request.
Torek was the one connecting the dots that didn't exist. Tara had no idea what Otto was gonna do to that nurse. You get your devil, and you punch your ticket out of this cesspool, so let's not get too lost in righteousness.
This is gonna make for one
I'm the
freaking
scumbag outlaw.
excellent season ending. Oh
And
my
you're
god.
the pillar of justice.
Now, if you tell Tara this, is it gonna fucking make her just call off the fucking dogs? Jesus. I know. Quite a man, isn't he? Just like, did that just motherfucking happen? It did, girl. I saw it. The man, the myth, the legend. I mean, I'm not down with the informing thing at all. But Galen is a son of a bitch, and he tried to actually blow up people's kids and shit.
Got a single income, kid with some problems. I'd like it if you could help him. What?
What?
Baby, calm down.
What now?
Shithead.
Should have done it to another bloody prisoner or something, mate. They're always got, but then again, they'll shank you as well. What the fuck?
I talked to Tara. I told you, my family is off limits.
I didn't call her no shit. She was a manipulative bitch. If she told you that, well, I guess she is.
Come and break it up, guys. Guys. Tara is fucking gone to the dark side, boy.
I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't want it to happen like this. What about the little conjugal with Clay?
Don't!
No, Mama. You told him what I did. Now he needs to know. He needs to know what you've done for him. The guards from the cell. They forced your mother to have sex with Clay while they watched.
The guards need killing, bruv. So you needed to know.
Mom.
I just talked to Margaret,
Tell him, blood clot.
who confirmed what you refused to believe. Honey, it was all a lie. The pregnancy, the miscarriage. Tara wants out, Jax. She's filing for divorce, and she's gonna take your boys away from you.
Okay.
From all of us.
Now listen to
Honey,
your
I'm
mama.
sorry.
This one time.
I love
Just
her
this
too.
one time. Damn it.
And if she's not gonna tell you, you need to find someone who will.
Answer Margaret and the cokehead, the Hera, the crank bitch. I don't know what drug she's taking. Ooh, onto the solicitor. Yeah.
Sit down.
Why has he got a gun? You're his fucking solicitor, lawyer, whatever. You should have excused yourself.
Is Tara divorcing me?
Bloodbridge.
Yes.
The pregnancy.
I did.
Was it?
Was it a lie?
Yes, I think so.
Get out.
Tara was just trying.
Look at answer like, thanks, bitch. Thanks, mate. You got yourself into this position. You're his fucking lawyer. Talk about conflict of interests.
Hello?
Tara, it's Ellie Lowen.
She has some things to say about you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure she did.
About John. That you killed him.
That's why you know it's love. Because when you love someone, you just want to tell them everything.
He was making trips back and forth to Belfast, trying to make it right with the Irish. He fell in love with someone. I found out. Started spending time with Clay.
Why are you so addicted to the guns and the violence, though? That's the question. He's trying to get out.
You didn't answer my question.
To blood clot. You just gave a reason.
I didn't kill him. But I knew it had to be done. I gave my blessing for Clay to kill John Teller. I've never told that to anyone, including my son.
He's gonna find out. There's no more papers left. There's no more letters.
I'm sorry about the window and the bike. My dad said you talked with his boss. He's gonna help us keep the house.
So you're just sitting there waiting for him to come home and you know he knows. Bloody hell, is that the only way you could have fucking got to a phone? I'm sure people be plugging phones and shit. Maybe they were too big in them days. No way. Does she not? What the fuck? I'm not feeling the gun being in the same vicinity as a baby. It's like, yo, it's giving me the heebie-jeebies, yo. But, Jax knows, yo. Didn't take long, did it? It came straight out. Fuck, you know. This is going to be a banging season ender. We've got the Irish thing going on, the deal going down, the setup, the popo. Tara, yo, I'm screwed. Check out my Patreon for full-length episodes. I'm going to cut this one here because I need to watch another one today. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Until next time, peace and love. Bye.